Hello and welcome to this very quick video to announce the winner of this draw. Now, for those of you that stayed through this video to the end, nearly 2,400 of you watched it, you'll spot it, there was a giveaway. Now, only a very small number commented, so there's a reasonable chance of one of you actually winning it. So let's go into here, paste it in, get rid of the duplicates, and also make sure that only the people that read the instructions and I want one. That's how it's going to be done. Okay, let's get the YouTube comments. Okay, let's get rid of a couple. So the winner of the Q6 Nano smart charger is Jury van Loggerenberg. Apologies, Jury, if I've just completely destroyed your name. So, congratulations. Pop me your address details at lee@painless360.com and I'll get this out to you. Sorry that you lost things in a LiPo fire. Good reminder to everyone to always make sure that you never leave a charging LiPo unattended. But hopefully this will start to get some kit back where it needs to be. So, congratulations to you, Jury. I will give it 7 days, and if Jury hasn't been in contact, then I will redraw this prize from the video. Stay tuned, there will be lots more prizes coming in the next month or so. Thank you for watching my video and watching right to the very end. If you want to find out what I'm currently working on, you can follow me on social media by searching for Painless360 in the usual places. If you'd like to become part of the inner circle, then you can become a Patreon. Details are in the description and you get lots of additional benefits. Check out the playlist section on the channel too. I organise all of my videos into playlists and it's called something like Introduction to or for Beginners. All of the content is aimed so that you can start at the very beginning and it teaches you that subject, starting with simple principles and moving up to teach you everything you need to know.